1995 asengkan ASDC, KSA, KNCA, NCHSF atum kacetok IMOU, Power Assam Government atum kacerai thaya puthak pil ki pipon pen kehai. Kedamtang 1995 asengkan 1st April Arni. ASDC, KSA, KNCA, NCHF ahin pen MOU kacetok ponalong thongkep a department long ponlo. Labang so along state government atum nonang kachijok dun board iwareta jok Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along thangnat apawar kavedada sonsi mandetlo. Labang so porohut kelongpon principal secretary pen kedanglok thongkep department along anpositame woreng abangke pipon unlo. Las labang so puthak XEM Rensing Biahin pen mathaparsik ponsi High Court along lamhoy piponlo. Lapen lamhoya bangta high pondetlo lasinon penke state government atum ahin penke nangchi jogdun longlelo pusi pilki pipon pen ke high pon abangphu XEM Rensing Biahin pen pini Kheroni Agriculture I biasai hemalong pherangkiamai ingni pon
Nili kedamtang ningkam berhinira ningkam sumihinira ningkam korek ini 2022 ningkam Assam Sarkar atum Karjemo arlo Bakarjemo Autonomous Council atum nangkit tek tang subject mukha nangki fudun boret nangki jobdun boret walam ben Guwahati High Court along Indonesia PIL akes piglo lapen la sokes pidet pen kedamtang ningkam isiga ebeng angbong penangan kacingki cingwai dulu High Court long, laso High Court long cibai dah tapi kan ke non alam kerai abang tu di si nang lagi lo dari kefokusian ni, laso alam lai ateng pen pulau ke non kan ke Karbiang long, alam kedua department 1995 aningkan ke cetok MOU alam nangkidun department Thongkep. Lalu thongkep a department bangka Assam government atum nongke puthok nangchi yobundelo nangchi purundelo pusi non bangke Assam government ukil tuma High Court long lamchak chipil lasi pini pen bangke Karbiang ka lahaya department bangke Constitution Amendment 1995 adikam 62 no coba ini sih laso department ahemku abangke Karbiang Autonomous Council sih cepang depo laso a department muka bangke non directorate muka dak depo agriculture department ta directorate depo industry no ta directorate depo laso macam sih asetiwa department ta directorate depo lapen head of department bukan kan nggak head of lapen langsung department melalui itu asakuri bakuri tencenggok ke Anton ta Karbiang Autonomous Council si sakuri bakuri menekan kontrak settlement lahiran ta Karbiang Autonomous Council si ini kan ke klaim ngomong lasualan si mendak Atima 95 MOU akut kesan along penai kan emak tengok pronte principal secretary pencengok departmental head atau hamda appointment ki ke Karbiang Autonomous Council se appointment tipo lapan so directorate anda particular isia Visarvam agriculture directorate long lada kedua tu lapan aperam officer ko ang maduji ko ang employees doima lahaya employee ang manda mane laso directorate ng tengsi Karbiang Autonomous Council si laban so appointment mo habake ilong ko apes department tumake non ke nanti yung delo laso na kasi la department ng kaya ko bangka non bangke constitution ng choco si laso bangke ahem ko bang council na councilor ke at pensi non masuk itu non education ko director secretary education ko si domain ko sedang dake itu nang so agreement ang ko additional director additional director of secondary education people. So director power things so additional director banke lada banke power banke exercise ko athi laso things banke empowered. Last state government आपको मन मैं चाहता हूँ लाहेलो state government मुझे लाहेलो at this stage Land Council appearing for the respondents that has submitted that as per the stand of the state government the memorandum of settlement 2011 arrived between the state government KAC and other stakeholders is to be honored. And till then, the state government has not attempted to transgress over the rights of the KAC on the allotted subject, and in future also the state government is bound to honor the conditions laid down in the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 in its full letter and spirit. Langsung sih. Lapan aku tuh yang central government apartment lalu, Land Council appearing on behalf of the Respondent Union of India has also issued this court that so far as the action required to be taken by the Union of India in terms of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 are concerned, the process is going on and the central government shall take every possible step to abide by the term and conditions of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011. Laban ke 2011 Memorandum of Settlement ke UPDS lapan DST itu ke sign agreement. Tapi hasil kita Indian government tu nanti ke claim ke pan si kono lapan mono usi alat tu nanti. Lasi la sorte lo kono itu tu nanti kenanya bagi sebenarnya ke Union government tu apartment kali. Mereka minor notification doang 2011 berjalan tim top level. Setelah jalan tim nomor ke 1995 usi top 90 MOU. Lalu notification doang already high court pun lalu order correction mengenai cingki atau ukil tu lalu. Lalu sorte lo kono deh non bangke Kargeno Autonomous Council bangke powerful people ni pola ni bergilo. Lapan Kargeno Autonomous Council ke isian dalam konte isi legislative assembly kan Kargeno Autonomous Council ke legislative assembly kan lo ate 1951 first constitution itu bangke governor itu lo halaman soho land forest agriculture primary education pula subject nanti dulu lasi hal masih itu inherent subject lo Setelah 1995 anikam, ASDC, KSA, and Civil Students Federation, di masa Students Union of Japan, kacetok MOU ateng, abang aku taksi, 1 April cetok, lalu pen 12 April ni, lalu cetok masih tarik ini 12 April ni, Assam Legislative Assembly lo, isi consensus, isi resolution denglo, halas resolution mana lo, ke MOU lo kecetok dan additional subject hongket aku thaka executive power banke pini kan banke state government atau banke exercise ero laso power banke karena Autonomous Council kumsi executive power exercise ko laso intensi uthot laso income masih 1995 abikan masih 6th schedule to the Constitution of India paragraph 3 along amendment lo laso amendment pensi जैसे मैंने मांगे 7 schedule union list state list lapen concurrent list lo lagi thoma list pen union government atun state tun position si kacirat man ina subject itu bridges lahai gobati water lahai yang subject lo si union government atun state atun position mereka pasal tensi union government list tenta Kargeno Autonomous Council nasta state banke thak tensi Kargeno Autonomous Council thak lapan ke state list tenta laso amendment lo si paragraph 362 paragraph 3 long lahaya subject state list lapen concurrent list mukha bangka daktil ko lasi sole authority ke lage Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi 1951 hule lapan pan subject ke inherent subject posona thakse additionally 30 hala athang sikya subject to pulonte no napi thongke pul automita lage fikep ko lasu fikep subject banke inherent subject ko Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lasi ladak si director taduk ladak si appointment taduk ladak si kaduk ko ya kam tak lasu hen ki banke lage state government ka state government tu ke dakke nanjul ko lasi media ko yuti bange lagalo state government tu minten bahaya department mukha bang chejok dulu kusni ko yuti direct recruitment commission dulu penana sakori kakori pion sukita sakori kipi lahaya anda state government tu cerai dulu arus lang framework alam national livestock mission kolom penana arus lang framework setelah veterinary department a directorate da Karbi Sidona state government si claim bar itu lasi no banyak claim oleh lo state government ceca no banyak claim below si la high court no banyak lah ceca lasi la high court kes bang jadi lo la pen upuluma puji non ke Karbi Autonomous Council banyak powerful lasi ni kubong 1969 anikam Assam Reorganization Act dulu halaswa Act pen ke plan autonomous state Meghalaya Sorokon autonomous state dulu Meghalaya Sorokon autonomous state di dulu banke subject ki kusada legislative power mukha banke fully given se agriculture ke certain area में Assam government दूसरी rules man pledging se the certain area banke Meghalaya autonomous council state दूसरी laman swa power banke exercise legislative power जो लसों सिता non Karbi Anglong लसों 95 निकाल के दो लसों constitution amendment तक जोड़ने बंके lahaya subject के बंके लस दा Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council में है लापें लद्दाख बंके state government तुमके नाम चुन को क्या है करे state government तुमने चुन को क्या है करे legislative power ता nang orang nggak executive power nggak lasi langsung nang orang nggak jadi sih nang nggak langsung additionally 30 subject bangka langsung constitution itu mana lintang nang jilang tulangnya mana lupa tulang tapi di mana lintang anak bangka lagi inherent subject lo Karbi Anglong inherent subject lo langsung department akhir buke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi nilai lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ASEAN ke hai mata lahaya nanti mata tarlik fokus ini kelo lapen Prabjin pen lahaya directorate office muka tada kategori akan alam pun kengkam dengkon fokus ini kelo lapen laswa putak long kacing sai long upima kenang sok kedulang nanti kupene jong sini pun confusion dolang long pe itu tumlah soal muka kacing sai pen itu tumlah lagi cepat clear gitu sita Assam government dah pilih Islam punang ko dah ari cirung poklo Assam government tu ari cirung poklo dia tumalong itu nangge cirung cipu kabodi bagi cok cedato lasi pilih bangke itu nang cipu dungero lapan mungkin lagi apa aku damai itu lapan soa akhir nongla executive power dan legislative power Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council terku amanah itu tangan bangke lapan itu nang cipu dungero nang ciyok dungero pusi state government minta